Before starting the anvil replacement, gather your tools. You'll need a Torx T20 screwdriver, a replacement anvil compatible with your DeWALT model, moly grease for lubrication, and optionally gloves to keep your hands clean. Step 1. Safety first. Always remove the battery from your impact wrench before beginning any disassembly. This prevents accidental activation during the repair process. Step 2. Locate the 4 Torx screws on the front of the impact wrench surrounding the anvil. Use your T20 Torx screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. If they're tight, pliers can provide extra leverage. Step 3. With the screws removed, carefully pull off the nose cone of the impact wrench. The gear assembly and anvil will come out together with the nose cone. Step 4. Push the old anvil out of the gear assembly. It should slide out relatively easily. Take note of the anvil type, whether it's a hog ring or detent pin style, for proper replacement. Step 5. Apply a generous amount of moly grease to the new anvil and the surrounding gear assembly. This lubrication is crucial for smooth operation and longevity. Then, slide the new anvil into the gear assembly, ensuring it's properly seated. Step 6. Carefully slide the gear assembly back into the impact wrench housing. Replace the nose cone and secure it with the 4 Torx screws. Tighten the screws properly, but don't over-tighten. Step 7. Insert the battery and test your impact wrench to ensure the new anvil is functioning correctly. The tool should operate smoothly without any unusual noises or vibrations. Your anvil replacement is now complete. When replacing your DeWALT impact wrench anvil, several critical factors will determine the success of your repair. Understanding these considerations ensures optimal performance and longevity. First and most important is proper lubrication. Always use the correct type and amount of grease to ensure smooth operation and prevent premature wear. Moly grease is the recommended lubricant for DeWALT impact wrenches. Apply it generously to both the new anvil and the surrounding gear assembly to ensure proper operation. Next, you must choose the correct anvil type. There are 2 main types: hog ring anvils that use a retaining ring to secure sockets, and detent pin anvils that feature a locking pin mechanism. Hog ring anvils use a retaining ring system and are quick to change sockets, while detent pin anvils provide more secure socket retention. Choose based on your specific needs and socket compatibility requirements. Model compatibility is crucial. Always verify that your replacement anvil is designed for your specific DeWALT impact wrench model, such as the DCF899 or DCF887 series. Check the part number and model compatibility before purchasing. Popular models include DCF899, DCF887, and other DeWALT cordless impact wrenches. Using an incompatible anvil can damage your tool. Important warranty consideration: be aware that disassembling your impact wrench may void the manufacturer warranty. Consider this before proceeding with the repair. Finally, some practical tips for the repair process. If screws are tight during disassembly, pliers can provide extra leverage. Take your time and work carefully to avoid damaging components. By following these key considerations, proper lubrication, correct anvil type selection, model compatibility verification, warranty awareness, and careful work practices, you can successfully replace your DeWALT impact wrench anvil and keep your tool running smoothly for years to come.